Welcome back to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and boy, it's been a while, hasn't it? So, yeah, I got a brand new recipe for you, though, today, and I think you're going to like it. It's called Cowboy Caviar. It was suggested by a friend of mine, and it was traditionally made in Texas, and they used black-eyed peas. So I'm going to use garbanzo beans, or chickpeas. And there's a specific reason why, and you'll see here in just a second. I'm going to save that juice, that aquafaba they call it, just like that, without making a mess, hopefully. And I'm going to save that juice. I'm going to use about 1/3 of a cup or more. That's going to be the base for my dressing. So traditionally, the dressing is an oil-based vinaigrette. I'm going to use that aquafaba in place of the oil. And we're going to add some black beans to the chickpeas. Those are rinsed and drained. And just mix those beans up really well. Everything else that goes in this recipe is just raw chopped veggies. So I got a red onion, and that's my little full star 701 chopper. I did a review. There's a link up above. There's a link in the description. You can check it out if you want to see what they're all about. They make chopping all these veggies a breeze, I'll tell you that. And we're going to add a bell pepper. You can use orange, red, whatever color you like. And I'm just kind of cutting these up into little small pieces that fit on my chopper grid right there. I think it's so nice. It's dishwasher safe too. I don't have to do anything to clean this thing. Be careful of those blades though. They're very sharp if you get one. We're going to add that to the mix. I got some tomatoes. You can definitely use fresh tomatoes out of your garden. I got those cherry tomatoes because they kind of hold their shape better. Add those to the mix. Of course, I got some jalapeno. If you cut the seeds out and that little white membrane, they're not as hot. If you don't like spice at all, you could definitely leave them out. But I love spicy stuff. You guys know that. You want a really fine dice on these jalapenos. I just use one. If you like spicy, you could definitely add 2. Add that in. Or some New Mexico green chili. That's in season right now. That would really be good. And I forgot to turn the camera on for this part, but I did have an avocado. And I also added about 8 ounces of frozen corn. Corn's in season right now too. You could definitely use fresh corn on the cob. Whatever you like. A little cilantro there. Now for the dressing. I'm going to mince up some garlic. A really fine mince. And that's going in that aquafaba. That's that chickpea bean juice from the can that we saved. So we're going to add that garlic to that. And then some red wine vinegar. And a little salt. Some lime juice. Goes really well with the Tex-Mex feeling here. Some chili powder, some cumin, a little black pepper. And that is the dressing. That's all there is to it. Like I said, no cooking involved here. Now, to balance all that acidity, all that tartness, I added some maple syrup. You can use sugar, whatever you want. That's your dressing. You pour it in your salad, your dip, whatever you want to call it. It's what it is. It's a salad. It's a bean salad with veggies. It's kind of disguising itself as a dip. I did make some homemade corn tortillas there and used the desert dip. It was really good. Anyway, that's the recipe. I'll put the complete link for the recipe down below. If you like this channel, make sure you subscribe for more recipes, and I will see you next time. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.